While victims are concerned about housing, there's also the ongoing worry of more flooding every time it rains. Today, my co-anchor Wally Aliou spoke to Greg Montoya on Beta Street, who says he left his hotel this weekend to help the city clean out the storm drain on a street.
We have rain coming down for at least 2.5 hours coming down. Water's starting to rise up. I come over to this one drain that we have, the only drain we have in the area, and it's full of trash. And so I'm starting to remove all the trash with a rake, trying to get the water to flow. Called 911 for the water break line. It took over a half hour for them to respond, to finally send somebody. When the city employee from the plumbing department showed up, I showed him where the break was. I showed him how to shut it off. He shut the water off, did the repair. I came back here to keep the trash from coming into this drain line.
Where did all the trash that was here, where was it all coming from?
From all over the streets. If you look, you got all the trash that's in the streets on both sections of the street, on Birch here and Beta, all flow to this one drain.
I mean, here's some trash right here.
That's all the stuff that was clogging this. That's all this trash that is throughout the streets here that the city doesn't address.
And the concern is if you don't clean out the trash and the water rises, it's getting into your homes again.
Right, because some of the homes there are on slab construction, and that means they sit really low to the ground, and it won't take much water for them to get the water to go into the property.
Tell me the difference before and after you were cleaning out the trash in here and how the water was flowing into the creek.
Oh, it dropped a lot. The water's up to the sidewalk. After I cleaned it all out, it dropped down to the curb.
And you said you called the city and you asked them to come clean up some of the trash that people had dumped on your street?
Yes, I made get it done for this address. There was a blue container here and trash piled on the outside of the container. I made the request. They came and removed the container and picked up the bulk items, but they left all the small stuff, and the small stuff is what clogs the drain lines that I showed you. The city knows there's only one single drain line for this whole area. This small stuff is critical that it gets picked up, because it not only clogs the storm drain, it also goes into the ocean. We keep polluting the oceans. None of us are going to have a planet to live on.
Stay on top of the aftermath of the flooding and opportunities to help on 10news.com and the free ABC 10 News mobile app.